Let me know how you got your beard stuck. Turkeys can fly. If you just got some turkeys and you didn't know that, you're in for a treat. So this is how you prevent that turkey from flying. This is Ready, Set, Homestead, where the only fluff is the feathers, and today I'm gonna show you how to clip a turkey's wings. Don't hurt yourself, girl. All right. Turkeys are strong. Make sure you keep those talons away from you. But let's go ahead and show you how to clip these wings. Turkey feathers. Now, on a turkey feather, you see there's multiple rows. So these ones here are primaries. When you go to that next level down here, that's okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. These are your secondaries. These are coverts up here. You have primary coverts, you have secondary coverts, but essentially these are your aerial wings. Now you can see when you get close, oh, don't kick the camera. When you see you can get close, if there's any blood inside of them, it's gonna be kind of a darker color. She's an older bird. She's a little, she's not quite a year old, almost a year old. But we wanna clip these. A lot of people don't realize that turkeys, unlike chickens, can fly. Turkeys 100% can fly. And so a turkey can fly 40 feet in the air, about a quarter mile at one time. So if you want to make sure that your turkeys are staying in your yard, then you need to clip the wings. Because the boys, they'll leave. The females, they'll typically stay with Jennies. Once the Jakes get a little older, they leave with the Toms. But we're gonna go ahead and clip these wings. Now, if you're like me, I'm a bigger guy. I can hold them and do it all by myself. But instead, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It is useful if you have two people, but I'm gonna show you how to do it if you're all by yourself and you're not strong enough to hold the turkey just like this. So, oh, yep, got my leg. All right, we're gonna hold her just like this. So I got her head in between. Head's in between the legs, so she can't move. I'm gonna hold back here, so basically on her shoulder, to extend the wings, and then I'm gonna clip. Make sure you have sharp scissors. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little inspection while I got her. Oh, there. Well, she's good now. She's a little upset, but she'll be okay. So you can see she's the one on the far right, how we've cut it versus the other ones. The other ones, their wings go behind their back. Hers is now up on the side. So the big thing with this, it's okay, Elon. He said I'm messing with his girls. But the big thing with this is making sure that you do one wing. Let's see if she'll jump. Oh, she did. Yeah, see, she can still get up there. But if you do both wings, now they're gonna grow out in their molt. You have to do this every molt. They're gonna grow out. But if you do both wings, they can actually adjust. They'll learn to use more force in order to get off the ground. So you only wanna do one wing. That way it puts them off center so that they can't fly. Because again, turkeys can fly a very high distance and a very far distance. If you look back at some of my previous videos, they all got out and they got on top of our roof. They were in our neighbor's yard across the street. So definitely something to be mindful of. But she's a little upset right now, a little anxiety. It works great if you have two people. One person can hold the bird, one person cuts it. But just like that, head between the legs, squeeze it, grab the arm, and cut with the scissors. It does not hurt the bird at all. It's just like clipping fingernails. Just make sure you don't do those coverts that are down below. Because those do store blood and you don't want to hurt the bird. So doing this doesn't hurt the bird. It just prevents her from flying the coop. So let me know how you got your beard stuck. Oh, I thought he had his beard stuck. So just let us know in the comments below. Do you clip your turkey and chicken's wings How do you do it? Is it similar to mine? Make sure you share, like, subscribe. I'll catch you next time. This is Ready Set Homestead. Enjoy homesteading.